the exact same place. Clearly a blow to knock us out and get us all here.
Took you a while to come too. Are you okay, man?
I'm Tony. You?
Paul.
Silvio.
Chris.
So, do you guys know each other?
No, we woke up here a few moments ago, and we thought you were dead.
We've been trying to find out what the heck is going on. Any ideas, guys?
I don't know, man. My memory is a little fuzzy.
Yeah. Welcome to the club.
It's all messed up, man. There has to be some type of reasonable explanation.
So, did you guys do something to land in here?
What can one do to end up in a basement with a concussion?
What's going on?
What happened to the lights? Oh shit!
I can't feel anything.
Oh my god.
I can't feel anything.
Oh my
Oh
god.
my god.
Oh my god. Why are you looking at us like that?
I don't know. You tell me.
Wait, you think one of us killed him?
Then what? It's just a coincidence he dropped dead out of nowhere?
How were we supposed to do that, man?
And look at him! There's no scratches on him. The only thing he has is the gash on the back of his head like we all have it.
Let's just calm down. It's clear that something bad is happening over here. We can't let this come between us. We need to figure out how to get out of this situation.
You! You were the one who was suspicious of him from the beginning. You were the one who wanted to check his pockets before he woke up.
Hey, listen, man, I was just making a suggestion.
Stop it. We need to figure out how to get out of here. Now, can either of you remember anything that you were doing before we ended up in this basement?
Yeah, I met a girl online. Her name was Miranda. She finally gave me her address after a few days of talking. So I was heading over to her house.
Or, I guess, on my way here.
What, did your dad beat you up?
Shut up! You're here too!
And what's that? Your wedding ring?
Mind your fucking business.
Do you remember the address?
Yeah, it was something like 422 East Lawrence.
I know that address. Why do I know that address?
I remember. I remember now. I delivered a package here. It was out of the usual route, but the person said they would be willing to pay extra, so here I came. And that's all I remember.
How was the street? I mean, the house. I don't remember anything.
Of course you don't. You're too horny out of your fucking mind to notice anything. Well, it was a normal, nice suburban street. The house was marvelous, but who would have imagined it had a fucking basement like this? Well, the house had 2 floors and a white picket fence.
Oh my god. I remember. A picket fence. And a big yard. Big enough that you can put a pool in it. I think I came here because I was gonna buy this house.
You're gonna buy this house?
Buy this house.
Yeah, if I liked it. Price was great. I was in the market for an investment property.
Okay, so we were all given the same address and told by different people to come here.
I can't believe I fell for the scam. This is much more than just a scam.
Would want to do something to us.
I don't even want to know.
He's gone too.
Why is this happening? How can we stop it?
How is this happening? Is it randomly? Did we do something that they didn't do?
I don't know. Maybe the next time, it's either gonna be me or you.
Whoa, whoa. Maybe this is it.
Don't be fucking naive. Someone clearly wants us dead, and I can't trust you anymore.
What are you trying to say?
I've killed a lot of men in my days, and I've always had a motive. If getting rid of you is my only fucking way out of this place, then so be it!
No! I didn't want to do this. What's that?
What's under there?
Maybe it's a clue.
Man, so I try to light this so this fucking dungeon looks a little brighter.
I don't have a lighter.
What kind of freak has a basement like this anyway? Shit!
Not again.
Need a lighter?
You were dead. I checked your pulse. There was nothing. You were dead.
Well, I'm not anymore. But they are. And you will be too.
Oh yeah? What if I got to you first?
Oh, Chris. Come on. I knew you'd act like this. It only makes it more entertaining for me. You see, you and your friends have been poisoned with a photosensitive drug. You know, light photons are present everywhere. On your hand, on your face, on your eyeballs, on that candle, everywhere. Once the light goes off, and that's it. You guys didn't even stand a chance against me, man.
What? Why are you doing this?
Because someone has to. Well, let me help you refresh your memory. You are under arrest. Anything you do can and will be used against you in the court of law. Wait a minute. You were arrested many times before, right? And why would you remember me? You were so drunk off your ass. That's right. That poor woman you hit, she never stood a chance.
Is that what this is about? Hey, listen man, I made a mistake. That was a mistake.
Save it. When you hit her, and you didn't even stop to help her, you kept driving. The only reason you stopped, because the police made you stop. Because I made you stop.
You?
I did everything in my power to make you face the consequences that you deserved. But your father, he saved you again and again. You got out before we could press any charges against you.
But that wasn't my fault.
You are just another name on the list. Just another name. Well, Tony here, he is indeed married. He even has a little girl. But they never knew about his obsession with this young, unsuspecting little girls, right? But he also had like connections to free himself all the charges. Silvio here was calm and composed. I mean, there was nothing wrong about him, right? No. He was selling opioids to little children, making them drug addicts. And when a businessman is involved, it's very easy for them to get out of the charges. You see, you people control this system. You do whatever you want and then you get out of it. I couldn't stand anymore as criminals like you were walking around free while justice became meaningless. I dedicated my whole life to this system for what? For corruption and manipulation when out? Well, not on my watch.
I can change. I will change. I would turn myself in. I will serve time and.
I'm taking matters into my own hand now.
So, will you cry for help? Just
Wait.
like that old lady?
Wait.
Like her?